Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is March 29, 2019, your source of news before any trade decision. And we're going to talk about Lyft today. Okay, so Lyft started its trading on the NASDAQ today, and we're going to look at the price chart to see exactly how this particular stock is going to trade. I know there's a lot of euphoria and excitement going on right now for this particular stock, but of course, you need to be patient. You need to wait and see how this particular stock is going to trade. Already you can tell that Lyft stock is up about 15%. It started its trading at $72 per share, and if you can look at the top left side of my screen, it is now around $83.25. so that tells you that there's a lot of selling going on right now in the space for Lyft, and it has a lot of demand going out right now. So we want to pay attention to find out, since it's so early in the game on the price charts, where support lies at for this particular stock. Now, before I get started in this particular analysis, it's going to be on a very short-term basis, considering that we don't have a lot of historical information on the price chart. Okay, this is not a long-term view because no one yet understands what this particular stock is going to do on the market. I can tell you though that there is something that you need to keep your eyes on as we go throughout the year 2019. If this is your first time coming to our particular channel, we do definitely want you all to continue to like and share these videos because our purpose is to show you all the news according to the charts, the way that nobody else is giving it to you, the uncomplicated way. We make it real simple into understanding what the market is doing, speaking in regular human terms. We're not trying to give you all those financial lingo, those terminology that so many people try to confuse you on, because it doesn't take all of that. Okay, so if you do appreciate these videos, make sure that you continue to go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to this channel as well too. So now, Lyft is being listed on the NASDAQ. Okay, so I got this website up right here, give you some historical information about it, some pertinent information concerning this particular IPO. And one of the things I wanted to point out that no one is talking about is the lockup period for Lyft. Okay, now the lockup period is at 180 days. 6 months is the lockup period. The lockup period means that all of the insiders, you know, the major players within the Lyft organization, cannot come into the market and sell their shares until this lockup period expires. Okay, so it is 6 months from today's trading day, which will be around sometime September, the ending half of September, to where those corporate board members, the executives, the owners, will not be able to, that's when they'll be able to go ahead and start selling their shares back into the market. Okay, so you can see a major dump occur in this particular share around that particular time in September of 2019. Okay, so let's keep our mind. That's what I wanted to point out long term that everyone needs to be focused on, is that lockup period of 180 days. So again, considering that the market in Lyft is relatively new, we are looking at Lyft on a 1 minute price chart. Okay, and what's been going on since this particular stock has been listed on the NASDAQ, you can tell that the market is losing its euphoria in the very near term. And I'm talking about on a 1 minute basis. The market has came and bounced off $82.50. That is currently the support area for Lyft. But as we continue to go out through the weeks, the days, and then the months, of course, this support area is going to be tested and tried to see if it can be maintained as support. And currently, the weakness is overpowering the strength in the market right now for Lyft. Again, the market is showing us weakness on the very near term. I'm talking on a 1 minute, 5 minute basis. So by the time you all see this particular video, Lyft will be trading at a totally different price area. Okay, but the weakness is dominating this particular stock as of this particular moment. You can definitely tell that we are in a downtrending motion. We need to see where support is going to be at for Lyft. And as I stated, $82.50 is that first support area. Again, looking at on 3 minute bars, we are definitely seeing a lot of weakness coming to the market. And then the market started its trading at $72. So ultimately, Lyft may actually try to come to that particular price as a true area of support. Okay, so right now definitely is a opportunity to stay on the sidelines until we find out and determine where that support area lies for Lyft. We will be covering this stock going forward because we want to grab and show you all how precisely you are able to give your price movements and your price predictions without any fundamental analysis. We're not looking at any revenues, cost analysis, profits, net income, gross margins. We don't depend on that particular information because it's especially right now, seeing that Lyft is now trading on the NASDAQ, we could utilize the information on the price chart to determine exactly what everyone else is anticipating for this stock to do. Okay, so we are very appreciative for you all to watch this video. We will be covering Lyft going forward to see how it trades. Current movement is one of weakness. Looking forward to continue to move to the downside until we are able to see support in the market for this stock. Make sure you all continue to watch these videos because we will update you as we continue to see how this market trades. Right now is one of weakness. $82.50 is the support area right now. I'm not really expecting the market to really hold that going forward. Definitely, I think we have some more anticipation of lower prices to go through for Lyft, especially as we go through next week. Okay, so again, we value your time. That's why we're giving you all the news according to the charts, the simplistic way, and as well relatively quick. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.